Hi, I'm going to show you how to send large videos in WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp application. Select the chat where we will be sending a large video. Click this paperclip icon here below to attach files. By the way, please make sure that your video is in the documents or file and not just in the gallery so we can send it here in WhatsApp. Then, click Document. Then select Browse Other Docs. Choose Video since we're going to send a video. Here we can see that the video we are going to send is a large video, so click this one. Ta-da! It will be loading for a while because it is a large file. So let's just wait until the loading will be finished. And here is the final result. And that's how we send a large video in WhatsApp.